back out in Sand Hollow. Just got home after dropping the 5-ton and the Nodwell out there for the Trail Hero event. And of course, my phone dings and it says, I need your help. So I'm on my way. I got Becky and Shelby. We're in the Black Pearl. We're gonna go get the Nodwell and go pull this guy out of the peanut butter mud. That old girl's the tool for the job out here to Sand Hollow. You can waste a lot of time, pull that old girl up there and just pull them out, no problem. So we'll get out there. If the Jeep don't break down, we'll take you along for the ride.
I think you got it.
Are you driving out there?
Oh.
Worst thing to do is get stuck.
We always have options.
Gotta get some light.
You're getting serious down there.
Yeah.
Multi-purpose.
I don't want to ruin my boots.
Show me you're a farmer without telling me you're a farmer.
I'm a farmer. I'm a ranch hand from way back.
Okay, Shell, let's go get on the Nodwell.
I like that saying. I borrowed my dad's Jeep and I have no idea what I'm doing. Well,
I said I had to come look at it. I see that thing coming across the sand.
let's go pull that guy out, should we?
I offered.
You tried earlier.
I was gonna try it.
Oh, I don't think you should.
Hey. Here you go.
They didn't even want me to try.
No,
Okay.
then we'll have 5 people buried.
I was with all them all the way.
I'll give you a $100 bill if you can get up to him and pull him out.
I was close enough to hook winch, but I backed out.
Oh man,
Dang it, almost.
I might be stuck. You might have to come get
I know
me.
I know how it is out there. It gets
Oh.
it's soft.
It's terrible. We'll go see if we can get him out. Everybody calling West Shell?
Yeah.
Hey! Either hang on or sit down, one of the two. You coming?
That's too bad. Snooze, you lose.
I think that'll work. I might have to. I'm just going to use those. I'm not even going to try to undo it. Hey.
Yeah. And yesterday.
Live here in Hurricane.
Yeah.
My parents live in Hurricane and I'm in St. George.
Nice. Yeah, we had some people really stuck up there on the beach yesterday. Because it looks all dry and then you just fall into
I know, that's
water
what
level.
happened. I was like, oh my gosh, all right.
I get swimmer's mitts from this? No. For the most part, it's not super soft. Right here is really hard.
Too deep right there. Not gonna do it. I want to go to the island, but I'm too scared.
You're tired thinking about it though.
Now the water drops another 4 feet. Then I'll do it. That's the problem with the Nodwell. You spend more time out goofing off, driving it around, burning fuel, putting wear and tear on it than you do doing the job. A little job like that, you could winch all day long till your winch cable melted down, your battery blew up, your alternator fried. The old Nodwell gets right in there, gets the job done. 5 minutes later, we're gonna go goof off and do something else. So thanks for coming along for the ride.